Hi there, this is a new video to help you learn more about Saxenda dosage for weight loss, and I hope it will answer your questions. If you have any confusion about this injection, please feel free to ask them in the comment section, and we will be happy to help. So, what is the pharmaceutical dosage of Saxenda? The Saxenda injection is a type of auto-injector pen that contains the drug Liraglutide in solution form for subcutaneous use. Saxenda is available in a box of pre-filled pens. Each pen contains 3 ml of the solution with a concentration of 6 mg liraglutide per ml, so each pen contains 18 mg liraglutide. You can easily use this injection at home by administering it subcutaneously every day. How to use Saxenda injection? Watch ours another video. We'll add a link in the description, or click above on the I button. What is the dosage of Saxenda for weight loss? The patients taking Saxenda should follow a 4-week dose escalation to reach the clinically effective dose of 3 mg for weight loss. In addition, the 4-week dose escalation may reduce the occurrence of side effects. Watch another video about the side effects of Saxenda injection at the end of this video. So the recommended Saxenda dosage for effective weight loss is 0.6 mg per day in week 1, 1.2 mg per day in week 2, 1.8 mg per day in week 3, 2.4 mg per day in week 4, 3 mg per day in week 5. Therefore, the dose of 3 mg per day is maintained until the patient's target weight is reached and cannot be increased by more than 3 mg per day. If you have not lost at least 4% of your previous weight after 16 weeks, it is unlikely that you will achieve a better result with the continued use of Saxenda. Therefore, it is advisable to stop taking it and try another method of weight loss. What to do if you miss a dose of Saxenda injection? If you forget to take your daily Saxenda dose, make up for it as soon as you remember. Then take your next daily dose, as usual, the next day. Do not take a double dose or increase your dose the next day to make up for the missed Saxenda dose. If you miss a dose, contact your doctor if it has been more than 3 days since you last took it. Our final considerations. If you want to use Saxenda for weight loss, in this case, you should consider the side effects and the expected result of weight loss, because the active ingredient liraglutide has many side effects and is difficult to tolerate. If you can lose weight with exercise and diet, this would be a good solution for you. Share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our Pharmacist online channel for more helpful videos. Your support will encourage us to create more useful content for your health.